Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily see your browsing history in the TikTok app. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, also write your comments at the end of the video, and subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open the TikTok app on your device. And then you'll need to go to your profile. Next, click on the three bars in the top right corner. Next is Privacy Settings. And here, swipe down a little bit to find the Activity Center. And now select Browsing History. And this will take you to all the videos that you viewed on TikTok. And it doesn't matter if you've liked them or not liked them, it's just going to be a list of all the videos that you've scrolled through in the TikTok app. And let's say if you would like to delete some of them, then you will need to select this function. Then you select the videos that you would like to delete, let's say. And then you click Delete. And immediately these videos will be deleted from your browsing history. Friends, this is a very simple way to view your TikTok browsing history. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.